And today I'm going to be doing a wig install featuring ReadyWigs. This is their box. Their company name is called ReadyWigs. Okay, I'm going to be doing a wig install, as y'all can see from the title. So yeah, let's get right into it, okay? So don't mind my hair. It look crazy because I've been taking off wigs and putting them on, taking off wigs and putting them on, so y'all can see the residue of my glue from my previous wigs and stuff like that. So don't mind me, okay? They sent me this wig, y'all. This brown wig. I think I got a 24 inch. I think so, yeah. Okay, and then they sent me a wig cap, my color, a spray bottle, thank y'all, and this is their card, okay? So it just shows you the hair care and stuff like that. Link for this wig will be in the description box below. Y'all go purchase this wig. All right, y'all, so this is my first, before we even get into a video, this is my first synthetic wig. Like, I don't know how I felt when they said, oh, it's a synthetic wig, and I'm like, I never had synthetic wigs. Like, I always wore human hair. But we're gonna get us a test. We're gonna see, does it really get tangled? Because, you know, synthetic is known for getting tangled. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do what it do, and we're gonna see if this wig get tangled. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna put on my cap because I look crazy right now, as y'all can see. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks. Straight. Y'all, so this is the final product of the hair. Look at it. I like 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 it. Oh my god. Y'all, so this is how the hair looks. Oh wait, I like it. Anyway, so y'all should really purchase this wig. I tell y'all to purchase every wig I review, but this one right here, the color is nice. Hey y'all, I'm done slaying the wig. Honestly, it took me a long time. But if you want to purchase this wig, again, this company is called ReadyWigs, and the link will be in my description box below. Y'all go ahead and purchase this. Like, look how this look. Like, sus. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like my hair or not. But I'm out.